Hey y'all, it's Shayance and I'm back with another video. And as you can see by the title of this video, today I'll be showing y'all how to do your edges. Yo, my head my head is so big. Every time I do a little slick back, it just reminds me how big my head is. But that's besides the point. So today I will be showing you how to do your edges. It's really simple and really easy. Anyone can pick up on it, honestly. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and press that bell button so that you are notified every time I post a video. And come join my subscribers because I'm lit, they're lit, we're lit, it's lit, and you want to come get litty with us because we're where it's at, okay? So let's hop right into the video. Starting off, you're just going to need your edge brush. Mine is kind of dirty, excuse that. So you need an edge brush, or you could use a red tail comb. I kind of use both sometimes and like alternate between them. You need an edge control of your choice. When my hair is in this curly natural state, I use Gorilla Snot because it's the only thing that gets these joints where I need them to be like laid and slayed all day. Don't have to worry about them after that. So I personally use Gorilla Snot. Some people use Eco Styler, Edge Booster. I like Edge Booster when my hair is straight. I haven't tried it on my hair curly. Maybe I will, but Edge Booster is really good. Eben, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's EBIN. It's a little purple jar. Yeah. So edge controller of your choice and water. So let me get a little closer. Okay. So, all right. So, ooh, I got this in my eyes. Ooh. I need my eyebrows done. Taking my spray bottle, I'm going to just spray my edges so that it can loosen up the gel that's already on it from the slick back. So you spray them, run your fingers on it because it's going to loosen the product back up. So run your fingers on them. Okay, run your fingers, run your fingers, run your fingers. Boom, 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 boom. All right, boom. So now that you did that, that's just gonna like disturb the edges a little bit to take them out of the full slick back because we're about to lay them. Then you will take your edge controller. So I'm taking my Gorilla Snot. Take however little or less you need. I'm doing the whole front of my edges. So this, look nasty. I really like snot. This amount is literally going to be just for the side of my head, and 9 times out of 10 I'm going to end up using more. So is my hand all shaking? I don't know why my hand is shaking all big. And yo, I do have my mirror in front of me, so if you see me looking off to the side, I'm looking at my mirror and in the camera. Alright. So you rub that all throughout. I'm gonna just I got a little bit more on my fingers, but that's not enough for the side. So you rub the product all 3 edges. Okay, so you take your edge brush. I'm going to spray my edge brush because it is product buildup and I need to clean it. So it's a little hard from the product buildup, but I am going to spray it. Not a lot, just like a little misty mist, so it can loosen it up. All right. So starting in the front, you're going to swoop. Do a little swoop. I like a swoop with my slick back, and run your finger over it to smooth it after. Got a bristle on my head. So swoop and follow up with your finger. Swoop, follow with your finger. Okay. It's easy, right? And then if it don't come out the way you like it on the first try, that's fine. Just keep messing with it until you get it how you like it. Because it take me like 10 minutes to do my edges realistically. But that's just because I'm real adamant with edges. Alright. So now, going to the sides. This excuse me, this is the part where you can use the edge brush or your comb. You can use this comb, this comb, this comb. It don't matter. It's really up to you. I'm going to show y'all both. So I'm going to start with regular red tail comb. So you take it and comb it down and back. Down and back. And you see like how it's creating like a swoop, like a swoop type sloop thing. Like, y'all get what I'm saying? Get that swoop. Alright, and you would just do that however many times you would like down your hairline with the comb. Personally, I like my edge brush better. Like, I may go over with the comb, but I always follow with the edge brush because it just gives it a smoother finish, in my opinion. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to show you how to do it with this comb too. It's basically the same thing, but this comb is smaller, so slightly different. So I'm going to do that. And you just alternate between the two. And if you go back, if you have to go back in one more product, that's fine, because you don't want your edges to mess up throughout the day after you put all this time and effort into laying them. So I'm just gonna put some more. If y'all, I don't know what that noise was. If y'all heard that, I'm sorry. It was somebody in the parking lot of where my apartment is. I don't know what that was. So I put another layer of Gorilla Snot and boom, boom, boom. You know, me personally, I like whiskers. I call them whiskers. Other people call it different things, like your sideburns, curlies, whatever. I'll call them my whiskers. And anytime I do a bun or like a style that's out of my face, I pull them out. So you could do that with your finger, with the comb, it don't matter. But I pull them out because at the end, I do style those as well. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to repeat those steps on this side. Okay. So this is the finished look of me just laying my edges. And you don't have to worry about if you still see like product residue or something back here from you putting on the Gorilla Snot, because when you lay them, it's going to go into your hair, or the product's going to go back into your hair. And if you have an issue where you go to lay your hair and now your hair is sticking up back here, just take whatever you used to initially lay your hair down, or just take a brush and just brush it, like just brush the hairs back and lay it back down. Now you could take your edge scarf, you could take a bandana, whatever you use, whatever you use to lay your edges. I use either my edge scarf or my Sanex strips. Today I'm going to be using my Sanex strip and my edge scarf because I'm going to, you know, lay around and let my edges set. So if you're like me, be careful, because I'm very heavy-handed and I be ripping these things all the time. So you're just gonna tie it. Don't tie it too tight because it will rip. So that's what I did. Tied it with that. Then I'm taking my edge scarf. Well, yeah, my edge scarf, because I only use this scarf to lay my edges or when I do my hair in buns or ponytails. And you just let this sit for however long you like. I let mine sit for like at least 15 minutes so that they're laid the way I like them to be. But everybody's hair is different, so you don't have to leave it on that long. But I recommend at least 10 minutes at the least. Don't go no lower. Please don't. To see the best results, leave it on for at least 10 minutes. So I'm going to do that, and I will be back when they're done being laid. Okay. So, as you can see, I done put some lashes on because the semester school is killing me, and I'm tired, and I can see it all on my face. Let's put a little lashes because maybe that'll waken my face up a little bit, because y'all know how it get in a semester. So it's been like, honestly, it's been way past 15 minutes. It's been like an hour. I'm gonna take this off so we can see what's going on under here. Okay. Ooh, it's lit. So y'all see, like this, that's just residue from the gorilla scent. And when that happens, we just take some water and rub it off. So that's what I'm about to do. So I just take a little, wet my finger, and you could take a Q-tip and do this too, but girl, I just use my finger. You can use water or oil, honestly, but I have water right here, so that's what I'm gonna do. And y'all see it just, it's going. The residue is going. Yup. And y'all see. Yep, and I did my little whiskers. I don't do my whiskers with Gorilla Scent. I do them with Eco Styler. I don't know why, I just do. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Press that bell button so that you're notified every time I post a video, and come join my subscribers. And I will see you guys in the next video.